guys, my name is Akanksha and I'm a physiotherapist. So I'm in the UK right now and I was studying. My term is almost complete, but I'm searching my own opportunities in the field of physiotherapy, and I've started to work somewhere as well. Good news, my DBS is here, so enhanced DBS done. I can't show you, this is very confident. So I'm gonna be working as a physiotherapist for a sports team, and it's gonna be really exciting. And the second that I got today was about, this was fun. You have paid too much tax, Akanksha, and we're gonna give your money back. So I was like, wow, yes, please give me my money back. So, but this video is not about all these things. This video is basically about when you're a physiotherapist in the UK, you have to crack that slim window down. You have to squeeze through. So in order to get through that, you need to have a driver's license. I was really looking forward to fill this up because first of all, my passport says Akanksha. It mentions just my first name and I don't have a surname. I do have it, but nobody has mentioned it anywhere. My teachers, not in my school mark sheets, so it's always been Akanksha. Hi, I'm making a video.
Is your husband
No, I'm making a video.
to
explain this thing. To a
why
friend.
you want to get the driver license?
No, how to fill this up. Yeah. So I got this from the nearest post office to my place. You can just Google and search, the post office is near you. This is free of cost. You do not have to pay anything for this. And also keep that in mind, some post offices, they do not keep this form. So you need to be very careful which post office you visit to get this form, because I went to one post office and they said that this post office is just for the parcels and the lockers and everything. So just keep that in mind. Read the Google reviews, read the services that they provide. If it says driving something or driving form or driving license renewal, then go for this one. It's just that what you pay online for getting a provisional license, you pay a little more. Like an online fee is around £34 and you pay £43. Plus I have to pay some more money because it's required. Yeah, you have to pay that. He doesn't just made it up. And the reason behind filling an offline form is that I don't have a surname, first of all, and secondly, I can ask any question that I like to the person who is on the counter. Like literally he explained the whole thing to me for like 10 minutes, how to fill it and what can be my options. And you do not need to post any document of yours to get a provisional license. And also, while filling this form, just keep that in mind that it says black ink only, so do not fill it with a blue ink. And keep a passport size photo handy. So we're gonna fill out all the sections over here, starting with the first one. So we have to put a cross against all that apply. So I am a first time provisional learner and with a view of passing a test, so I chose this firstly. And you can also see to drive a car in 16, this does not apply to me. All these things, this does not apply to me. Like most of the form that I filled is almost blank. You need to fill specific sections, that's it. You don't have to fill the entire thing. Here I have filled the second section, which says Miss. This is in my passport, so I have to write that. My surname is blank. If you don't have it, just keep it blank. First name is Akanksha. My date of birth, it's in the format DD MMYY, and then your full address and house and postcode. You can also write your phone number as well, and you can also write your email, but both of these things are optional. All right, so I was born in India. If you have ever lived in another country in last 12 months, please tell us which. I'm living in UK right now. So at what date I came to the UK, the date you landed in the UK, you crossed the immigration for the very first time, you have to write that. So now the third section, your eyesight. Are you able to read a car number plate from 20 meters and meet your legal vision, section A, blah blah blah? Yes, without any glasses. If you don't wear glasses, if you do, then choose the second option, and no if you really can't see that at all. all the other sections that you see here, date stamp, it needs to be blank, this needs to be blank, this needs to be blank. This is basically not of any use because you're going to stick your photo behind that. Now again, on this side of the section, you don't have to fill anything up because it says official use only, or had, or you're suffering with any medical condition, and these are the conditions that are listed here. So we are not choosing anything from here because we said no here. All right, so this needs to be blank right now. I'll show you how to put the picture. You have to put it here. And the section 5, so A, B, or yeah, these are the both sections. But if you are filling A, then keep it as it is. I'm just putting my share code in. It starts from S. So now coming to declaration section 7th, you just have to write the date over here, and then you have to sign in this white box. And it says very specifically, keep your signature within the white box. Please don't go outside or near the border. Try to sign in this white strip. And also you don't have to do anything here. That's it. That's how you will fill the form. And then when you submit your form, you have to tear this off. Oh my god, there's a lot of distraction because my flatmate is moving out and he's going in and out, but that's fine. All we need to send is this one. Alright, just I don't want to make this wrong. Hi everyone, so I finally got my provisional license. I recently got a mail like this. मैंने already निकाल दिया है. I've got my license. I can just show you my name, nothing else. And yeah, I'm so happy. इंडिया में तो कभी लाइसेंस बनाई, यहाँ पे लाइसेंस बन गया मेरा. I'm so happy. This is my provisional license. Let's take it off. So it's like this. पीछे ऐसा लिखा हुआ है कि this जो मेरे काम का नहीं है. This is cool. And my picture, I look like bhutini. And to be really honest with you guys, the timeline was really quick. Like I got this in just 2 weeks, maximum 3 to 4 weeks होता है. But ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपको जल्दी आ जाए और आपको थोड़ा लेट है. And whenever you go and apply offline for license, just make sure कि अगर आपसे वो express चीज़ों के लिए पैसे मांग रहे हैं, that is valid. They ask you for that. But it's your choice कि अगर आपको वो चाहिए या नहीं, या you're okay with normal timeline के साथ flow करने में, then it's fine. अगर आज के vlog के लिए इतना ही, and next time I'm going to be posting my house hunt on a vlog, so share, give your love to it, share, comment, like. Okay, bye.